Baking a cake can be a real challenge. Many of us have faced the disappointment of a dry, crumbly cake that doesn't live up to our expectations. If you have ever struggled with baking, worry no more. We are here to guide you through the process of making a scrumptious Oreo cake, step by step. To make Oreo cake, you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 10 to 12 crushed Oreo cookies, and 2 eggs. Let's start by making the cake batter. In a mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix them together. In a separate bowl, add your wet ingredients, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Mix these thoroughly until well combined. Now, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Use a whisk or a spoon to gently mix them together until you have a smooth batter. Be sure not to overmix. We want a consistent texture. It's time to add those wonderful crushed Oreo cookies to our batter. Gently fold them in so you have small cookie bits distributed throughout the mixture. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and 180 Celsius. Grease and flour a cake pan. Pour your Oreo cake batter into the pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake your Oreo cake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once it's done, remove your Oreo cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Your Oreo cake is now ready to enjoy. You can dust it with some powdered sugar or frost it with your favorite icing. Slice it up and serve it to your friends and family. Now, let's address some common challenges. If your cake is too dry, it might have been overbaked. To avoid this, check for doneness a bit earlier next time. If your cake sinks in the middle, it might be overcooked in the center. So, make sure to bake it for the recommended time. There you have it, a delicious Oreo cake made easily at home. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in a comment below. We are here to help you become a master in the kitchen. Don't forget to visit our website blogginggoodfood.com for more detailed kitchen product reviews and our treasure trove of food-related content.